So, good morning, good afternoon, good evening to you. I hope you're having a wonderful afternoon. I hope everything's going lovely with you. I hope you're having a beautiful morning, and I would like to say thank you for joining me on this journey. Now, today, let's get into it. I want to talk with you very briefly about the idea of reaching out into the universe to grab what you want to grab. Now, when I say that, I mean making a telephone call. That means picking up the phone and being proactive, because most of the time you are using the internet to help yourself find a job. You're using Facebook and LinkedIn groups. But what I want you to do today is something different. I want you to find 10 phone numbers of 10 companies that you want to work at, and then reach out to those phone numbers. Dial the phone number. Ask to speak with somebody in the human resources department, and ask them if they're looking for somebody with a job that has your skills, the skills that you possess. And you'll be surprised. You probably will get a positive answer 1 out of the 10. And certainly they won't be offended by what you're doing, which is trying to go out there and put food on the table. So go after it. So make the call. So find the phone number and ask to speak with human resources, and good luck.